Hi and welcome to another video on mbrTech YouTube channel. Today we have another product from Sweden company Sudio. Model on the test is TIO and it belongs to the wireless earphones collection. I got a version in green color, but white, pink and black versions are also available. As always, I need to mention the nice box design which is standard for Sudio products. For me it is something what I really appreciate. It makes the whole presentation a lot better. If you want to buy Sudio TIO with a discount, go to Sudio website and use code 15mbrTech for 15% discount. Let's start with the unboxing and see what is inside the box. There we have earphones and accessories box. This small box is hiding very interesting content. There are USB charging cable, user manual and quick instructions, 4 different sizes of secure clips and 3 additional standard clips in different sizes. That's all. Great box content, there is everything you will need. Let's go back to the earphones. To be able to connect and use Sudio TIO, you will need to charge the battery in earphones. Charging process is easy. You just need a micro USB cable to plug it in and charging will start. To fully charge earphones you will need 2 hours and it should give you around 9 hours of playtime. After successfully charging, you need to hold the button in the middle until you see the red light blinking to turn on earphones and Bluetooth. Then you can find Sudio TIO in your Bluetooth list. Connect it and you are ready. These earphones will work on all the devices that support playing sounds via Bluetooth. Quality of the sound on these earphones is average. It is not bad, but I have heard a lot better sounds while using other Studio's products. It will be enough for the average user, especially if you have some cheap earphones. It is still clear and quality, but I used to hear more quality sounds from Sudio earphones. The design of Sudio TIO is simple but refreshing and cool. White and black versions are looking even better from my opinion. This version in my hands isn't the best presentation of the design for TIO. Sudio made these earphones to be lightweight and comfortable in your ears. You won't even notice them after some time. I really like that. These accents in gold color are giving nice accent and better look. 3 button controls are always welcome. You can control volume, change music, play or pause music and even control calls, because these earphones have a microphone built in. Overall they look nice and I wouldn't complain to use them every day on the street or at any other public place. Quality is also feeling good, everything is well built and premium, and I will only mention braided cable, which is a great addition to the overall design. That's it for this short video. Sudio TIO are not the best earphones reviewed on this channel, for sure, but still they are good and no one can deny that. Premium design and quality with good sound is enough for the average user, and this price, I think they are worth, and you can't make a wrong decision with this purchase. Thanks for watching, don't forget to use my discount code if you want to buy them. Subscribe and support my channel. See you in the next video.